Oh my gosh, look at this big bag of stuff. This is everything that I bought from Poundland. And welcome back to another Poundland haul. As you can tell from the outfit that I'm wearing, it is now autumn in London and it is definitely sweater weather. And because of the change of season and because of Halloween and October, I'm really excited to share with you guys what's new in Poundland and what I got from Poundland in October. Now, if you're new to my channel or you have just come across this video for the first time and you don't know who I am, I'm Anika, and I love sharing my hauls here on my channel. And I have done quite a few other Poundland hauls before. I'll actually list the playlist of all my Poundland hauls up in the cards right now for you to check out. But anyways, on today's haul, I have so many things to share with you guys, and Poundland is such an amazing store. As an American in London, I think that having Poundland is really a nice convenience because there's so many name brand things that you can buy at Poundland for only £1. And really, you can get almost anything at Poundland. It's actually crazy. Now, the one thing that I did notice on this shopping trip is that Poundland is being a little bit cheeky. Yep, I said cheeky. That's very British of me, by the way, for those of you guys that don't know. I'm not British, if you can't already tell. Anyways, it was very cheeky that Poundland basically has things for £2, £3, £4, and £5 I saw. It was kind of crazy. They say they're Poundland, but obviously they do have a few other products that are let's say bigger or more well-known or more expensive in the high street stores that they do charge a little bit more for them in Poundland. So I'll be sure to list everything and all the prices of everything that I bought when I go through my haul today. Oh my gosh, look at this big bag of stuff. This is everything that I bought from Poundland, and honestly, it's crazy how much stuff I bought, and it's quite heavy. And of course, I have a reusable bag because even though I wanted to get a Poundland bag, I always go shopping with reusable shopping bags because I'm just trying to reduce my plastic footprint in the world today. Anyways, let's stop chatting on about bags and plastic. Let's actually get into this Poundland haul today. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys today is actually not something that cost £1. This was £4. I can't believe it. £4 at Poundland. That is crazy. Anyways, the reason I bought these is because, as you can tell from my sweater, it is getting cooler here in London and the autumn has definitely come and my feet get cold, and now that I'm home all the time, I wanted to have something warm on my feet when I get around the house. I usually buy my slippers from Primark actually, and Primark usually costs around the same price for house slippers, around £4. But what I loved about these is these look like a knockoff of the UGG slipper. So if you guys are familiar with that, UGG does make something that looks identical to this, and it is like that brown kind of leather look, and then it has usually sheepskin fur on the inside, but obviously this isn't sheepskin, it's just a knockoff, but it's super soft and comfy, and I thought it would be nice to wear these around the house. So the next thing that I bought is something that is a staple in my house, honestly, and it's something that I clean with all the time, and that is Zaflora. And if you don't know what Zaflora is and how to use it, it's actually a cleaning disinfectant. It's a concentrated disinfectant that you then either mix in with equal parts water or you use just small amounts to clean around your house. Anyways, I bought another Zaflora because I've recently just run out, and I love Poundland because Poundland has so many cleaning options. Honestly, I absolutely love that all their cleaning products that are high street names, that are that names that you trust, that have good quality products, are in Poundland for just £1. So anyways, I bought another Zaflora. I bought the bouquet scent, which I've had before. If you guys haven't already seen, I've made an entire video on how to clean with Zaflora around your house. And if you're interested in that, I'll link it up in the cards for you guys to check out right now. So the next thing I have to share with you guys is kind of like a treat, and to be honest, I went into Poundland a little bit hungry, so that's why I ended up purchasing this. But I mean, it was a snack for £1, and it's a bag of chips, and it's Kettle chips actually, and this is actually probably a more high-end kind of chip brand, and so it was only £1. I know that a lot of times in like Sainsbury's and Tesco's, they do have a offer on these, and they're sometimes down to £1, but it was cool to see a name brand like Kettle chips in Poundland for only £1. Anyways, I was hungry, so I bought this. Not really that I needed it, but just hungry. The next thing that I got from Poundland is also another little sweet treat that I got while waiting for the queue to check out, really, and that is the Troll Sour Gummy Worms. Now, as an American, or maybe California, I don't know, this is such a common little treat or snack or sweet that you would have as a kid growing up, and when I saw it, I just had immediate flashbacks of wanting to be a kid again and having sour gummy worms. So I was in the mood to buy something, a little sweet treat, so I ended up getting these. But yeah, £1 for this whole bag. I don't think that's a bad buy, and it's actually name brand, which is great. It's not just some random gummy worm company, but actually a trolley brand. So yeah, picked up another sweet. I also picked up cotton buds, or Q-tips as we know them, and these are 300 paper stem cotton buds, 100% pure cotton tip, environmentally friendly paper stems. So I always buy cotton buds or like facial tissues or things like that from Poundland. I just think that you get, again, such a good value for your money, and there's 300 of them in here, and as it says on the tin, they are environmentally friendly. They're not plastic, meaning they don't end up in the ocean where our friendly animals like turtles can get to them in a bad way. They decompose, obviously paper breaks down, it's recyclable, it's great. Yeah, I just needed more Q-tips, so I ended up buying them from Poundland. So the next few things I have to share with you guys are cleaning essentials, and they're things that I always pick up at Poundland, and the first thing is ViaCal. This is such an amazing, amazing product. It really helps with limescale buildup and any sort of like water kind of marks and things you have in your shower or in your bath, and it really helps fight limescale, which is great. So this was another cheeky product that was actually £2. I think the main reason is because ViaCal is like £2 or £3 or even more maybe in like the high street stores. So anyways, Poundland sells it for £2, which is still cheaper than what you would get if you went to Sainsbury's or Tesco or something like that. So anyways, I picked up some ViaCal because I ran out. So the next thing I picked up in the cleaning aisle is Flash with Fairy, and this is for your kitchen, and it says it has a degreasing effect with fresh citrus smell. So I really love using Flash across my countertops, and I just think that they are a very well trusted brand when it comes to cleaning your kitchen and also your bathroom. I do use it in the bathroom as well. Anyways, I really wanted to try this one out because it has fairy liquid in it, and it says that it helps break down grease when you are cleaning your countertop or your stove top and you cook with lots of oils or things, it leaves a mess. So wanted to give this a try, and again, only £1. Absolutely love that Poundland has products like Flash that are known brands for only £1. Another random thing that I always pick up at Poundland is bin bags. So these are 10 refuge sacks with a drawstring. They're 50 liter and they're extra strong. So it was £1 for these. Now this was a little bit pricey, I'd have to say that this was only 10, and usually you get like 30 or 50. But the thing is, it says it's extra strong and with the drawstrings, and I really just find it way more convenient when I am taking out the bins to have that drawstring, and it's easier to carry. And then usually the extra strong really helps because I absolutely hate whenever you are carrying bin bags and suddenly it breaks on your way to the dumpster. It's just so annoying. Anyways, need a trash bag, so of course I get them always from Poundland. The next cleaning item is another essential in my household, and that is the Astonish Oxy Active Plus Fabric Stain Remover Non-Bio. And this is basically a powder form of like kind of a bleach or a really deep cleaning pre-treatment for a lot of your clothes. So with any of my white loads, I always put a scoop of this. I also put a scoop in this with like towels and sheets just to get that really clean, you know, one scoop in every wash really helps like make sure any stains or any dirt is removed from anything that you have, really. You could even do it with your clothes, but usually I use it for like sheets, towels. But what I also use this for is a lot of my white things ends up with stains, or like, you know, if my kitchen towels end up being quite dirty because of whatever reason I'm cooking and then it ends up being stained, I actually use this as a pre-soak. So I put a scoop of this in some water, and then I put in all the items that I want to pre-soak, and then I put all of that into the wash after an hour or two. But anyways, this stuff is amazing. It really does help get stains out. And this is a smaller bottle, so it's not as big as you'd normally buy in Sainsbury's or Tesco's or something like that, but it is only £1. And honestly, this little bottle, because you only need one scoop per wash or one scoop per treatment, it lasts ages, really, honestly. It lasts forever. You really don't have to buy this that often. So a pound goes a long way. So the next few things that I have to share with you guys are really essentials in my entire cleaning cupboard, really. And these are wipes. They're like surface wipes, and they're by Flash, and they're the extra large, and they kill 99.9% of bacteria. And I got the lemon scented one and the Febreze blossom one. I love these. Okay, first of all, they're much bigger than the standard ones that you get, so you can clean more of a surface area than usual because they're the extra large size, but they smell so good. And honestly, it's so easy just to wipe down certain things with the AntiBack, like cutting boards, or even if you just want to wipe up a spill that while you're cleaning. Like, I don't use these for deep cleaning. They're more for spot cleaning, and they're definitely for like instant mess cleanup or something went wrong. Or I have a dog as well, and a lot of times if she has an accident, I wipe things up with these. It's just an easy way to not only clean, but also make sure that you are getting rid of any bacteria because they are AntiBack wipes. So yeah, they are amazing essentials, £1 each at Poundland, and I always stock up on these when I go to Poundland. So this is something new that I'm trying for the first time from Poundland, and actually from the brand itself, and it is Fabulosa, and it's a disinfectant. So I believe that from what I understand and what I've seen here on YouTube and other videos, is Fabulosa is actually kind of like similar to Zoflora, but it's already pre-mixed. So it's a disinfectant that comes like this in its like spray bottle form, so it's been diluted, and it's ready to use, so you can just start spraying it and start wiping down countertops and anything else you want to clean. It cleans and shines and eliminates odors, and it's a long-lasting freshness. And I got, what scent did I get? Ooh, I got Electrify. I don't even know what that means, but let's smell it. Let's see how this smells. It smells flowery. I guess it smells very like floral, actually, kind of like the bouquet scent from Zoflora. But anyways, basically it says to use to fully disinfect an area, spray on and clean, leave for 5 minutes, and then wipe clean. So it's really a disinfectant in a spray bottle, and I've heard great things about Fabulosa. If you guys have tried this, can you guys leave me a comment down below of how you guys use Fabulosa? Because I've heard of the name, obviously from Mrs. Hinch and the cleaning guru herself, but I've never used it. I've only heard of it. So if you guys have ways that you guys use Fabulosa around your home to clean, please do leave me a comment down below so I know how to use it. And the final essential that I bought from Poundland, and this is actually a top-up buy, it's something that I use all the time in my laundry, is LOreal Spring Awakening fabric softener. As you can see, this is a much bigger bottle than normal. Usually Poundland has like maybe a third of this size or something, and that's usually just £1. This was £3, so another item at Poundland that was more than £1. But I do think you're getting more for your value here because like it's a larger pack, so obviously it's gonna be a little bit more expensive, but it's way more affordable than the high street store, and it gets 54 washes for just £3. Anyways, I love this scent. It's my favorite scent when it comes to LOreal. So yeah, they did have the smaller bottle, so if you just wanted the £1, you can obviously get that, but over time, this is per unit cost. This ends up being way cheaper. Another thing that I got from Poundland that I almost always get is toothpaste, and I got the Colgate Max White Protect, polishes, rebuilds, and protects. It's a new formula. This was another thing that was £2 at Poundland, and I think it's because it's like the Max White. It's not just the standard Colgate White, and because of that, it is a little bit more expensive. So again, another thing at Poundland that's more than £1, which kind of makes me feel a little bit, why is it called Poundland? But I'd have to say that overall, because you know, most things are £1 or most things are budget buys, I get it. But it's kind of a little bit cheeky that they are sneaking more and more things onto the shelf that's more than £1. Anyways, if you guys like videos like this and you love a good haul video, I do have an entire playlist dedicated to hauls, which I'll link down below in the description so you can check those videos out as well. But if you do like haul videos, especially Poundland haul videos, please do make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to create more content like this for you guys. Another thing that I picked up that I needed to kind of just get because I ran out of and I can't seem to find any of my safety pins anywhere in the house are safety pins. It's a set of 60 safety pins in assorted sizes. And again, it's only £1. And I thought that, I actually just saw this in passing and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to pick it up. So I'm not really sure if this is a better buy when it comes to how much this costs in the high street or not. But for £1 for 60 safety pins, you really can't go wrong. So I picked it up anyways. And another thing that I bought that is kind of an essential in my house are Huggies Natural Care baby wipes. Now I don't have a baby and I don't use these on any babies or any children. I actually have these around the house to clean up after my dog. And usually I wipe her paws or anything. If she gets into a mess or something, I usually wipe with these because they're just natural care and they are just so gentle. So I'm able to use them on the dog. So basically I wipe her paws with these, and I always keep a stash of these next to her lead in the cupboard. So whenever we come in from a walk or something, we wipe her paws with natural baby wipes that are super, super soft, and they're made with aloe vera and they're natural care. And I think these actually break down and they decompose, which is great. So yeah, anyways, I always have a pack of these in the house, and what's great is it's just £1 at Poundland. And finally, the last two things I have to share with you guys today are really exciting. As you guys probably would have seen from the clips of the Poundland shelves and everything that's new in Poundland, there are so many new Halloween things in Poundland, which is so exciting because as an American, I love Halloween. I think it's like kind of built into you, like it's second nature to be excited about Halloween. And I've noticed that like Brits are not as excited about Halloween. It's just not like culturally a thing here, or maybe not as big of a thing as in America. And I know Halloween won't be the same this year, but I thought I'd pick up a few things just in case. And I picked up some lace cat ears, which are really cute, and then a lace masquerade mask. And this is really nice, actually. Both of them were only £1, which is great because it's a super cheap, easy Halloween costume. They had like masks and wigs and all these other things that you can get, and a lot of Halloween decor in there as well. Actually, they already had Christmas decor, which is crazy because I was thinking like the next time I come to Poundland is probably for Christmas shopping, but they already have it in store now. So if you're looking for Halloween things or Christmas shopping at Poundland, obviously it's already there. They're already in the holiday season. These were only £1, which is great. But yeah, they had so many options for Halloween and Christmas. So if you are looking for that at Poundland right now, super affordable prices that you can check out things. Anyways, guys, that brings me to the end of my Poundland haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, speaking of Halloween, I'm totally thinking about doing a video where I talk about the differences of Halloween in the US versus in the UK, because I obviously have two different perspectives now with being an American living in London. So if you're interested in a video like that, please do subscribe to my channel because I'm likely going to release that in the coming weeks in the lead up to Halloween. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed another Poundland haul. I absolutely love going into Poundland and finding new little treats and things that are so cheap and so affordable. So if you guys like content like this and you like hauls, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I upload 2 times a week on Sundays and on Wednesdays, and make sure to turn on that bell notification so you know exactly when I'm going to upload next. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.